Hello guys, welcome to the elementary knowledge. Today's topic is types of pronouns. In the previous video, we discussed about the pronoun and some of its type. Today we are going to deal with the types that were left in the previous video. A quick revision of pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used in place or instead of noun. A quick verbal example. Anya is a student and she studies in Oxford University. Here, the word Anya is noun. In the next sentence, she is taking the place of word noun, right? So she studies in Oxford University. So she is taking the place of noun. That's why she is a pronoun, right? If you want to know more about pronoun, you can check my previous video. Let's jump to today's topic. Types of pronouns. Here are the types: possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, relative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. Let's start with the possessive pronouns. Now the possessive pronoun shows possession, right? For example, this house is mine and this book is hers. Here the words mine and hers are showing the possession, right? They are showing the ownership. Okay, so possessive pronouns are the pronouns that shows the possession or the ownership, right? Reflexive pronouns. This pronoun reflects back to the noun or person or thing. For example, behave yourself, or I treat myself with love, care, and dignity. Now, the reflexive pronouns are used when the subject or object are the same, right? So here in a sentence that I treat myself, like I am the subject, I treat myself, and I am the object, right? So I am the doer and I am the doee, right? So these reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object are the same, right? So behave yourself, I treat myself with love, care, and dignity, right? Now comes the reciprocal pronoun. It is used when two or more parties are involved in an action. For example, each other, right? Let's check them in sentences. I and Williams were talking to each other. Now I and William are the two parties and we were engaged in an action, and that's why the word each other is used to show the relationship, or the action that were involved by two parties, right? Students were playing with each other, okay? Or you may say that girls were talking to each other, right? Relative pronoun. It is used to show relative clauses and also shows relation. For example, which, whose, and that. This is the lake that I was talking about, or this is the state building which hosts many of the state events. Now, I want to clarify the things here. In a sentence, you can have two clauses. One is independent clause and the other is dependent clause. Say, if I say, this is the lake, this sentence, only this part, this is the lake, makes the complete sense out of this, right? So this is an independent clause. And when I say I was talking about, this is incomplete. It is not making sense. That's why it is dependent clause, right? So the word or the pronoun that shows relation between the two clauses, one is dependent and other is independent, so that pronoun is called as relative pronoun. Here the word that and which are showing the relation between the two clauses, right? So this is the lake is the independent clause, that I was talking about and I was talking about is the dependent clause, right? Let's jump to the other example. This is the state building which hosts many of the state events, right? So again, that and which are the relative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. This one is used to show the demonstration or used to point out the things, right? This is the simplest pronoun. If I say take this table out of the room, or this hospital provides the best care to its patient. So I am demonstrating things, right? And to demonstrate the things or situation, I use the word pronoun like this, right, and that. Okay, if I say that is the table, right, or that's the auditorium, okay, or that's the college, that's why, here the word that or this is showing or demonstrating things. Okay, so these are the simple pronouns. Next, interrogative pronoun. This pronoun is used in interrogative manner, or when you are asking questions or when you are interrogating things, right? For example, which, who, and what. Examples are, kindly tell me which floor has library. So here which is used to interrogate about the library. You want to know where the library is and you ask, kindly tell me which floor has the library. So here which pronoun is the interrogative pronoun. Okay, what is your profession? So again, what is a pronoun? That is interrogative pronoun, right? Now, indefinite pronoun. This pronoun is used when we want to know or we want to refer things or persons as a whole, or when we don't specify anything, right? So when we do not specify one particular thing, right? If I say that everyone is invited to my birthday party, right? So I'm not pointing to, or I'm not specifying anyone, or I'm not specifying specific persons that only you and you are invited to my birthday party. I am saying that everyone is invited to my birthday party, right? Or say, someone please open the door for the guest. I'm not saying that Sarah, go stand up and open the door. I'm not saying that James, go up and open the door. I'm saying someone please open the door, right? So I'm not specifying things, I'm not specifying the persons. So when you are not specifying the persons or thing, you use indefinite pronoun, and examples are everyone, anything, or someone, right? Thank you guys for your patience and listening. Have a good day and time. Take care, and please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.